Welcome back to another lesson. Today we are talking about preparing for a live stream on YouTube. Going live on YouTube is an exciting journey. It gives you the chance to interact with your viewers in real time. But before you press that Go Live button, you need to be ready. A successful live stream doesn't happen by luck. It's the result of good preparation. From choosing the right equipment to planning your content, every step plays an important role. In this lesson, we'll talk about how to prepare for a live stream on YouTube, so you can go live with confidence and deliver a smooth, professional session. Step 1. Choosing the right equipment. Your equipment sets the foundation for a good live stream. You don't need the most expensive tools, but you do need the right ones. Start with your camera. A clear picture helps viewers stay engaged. You can use a webcam, a phone camera, or a DSLR if you have one. Make sure your lighting is good. Soft, even lighting makes your video look professional. A ring light or natural daylight can work perfectly. Next, focus on your sound. People will forgive a slightly lower video quality, but they won't stay if your sound is unclear. Use an external microphone for better audio. Even a small upgrade like a USB or clip-on mic makes a big difference. Finally, check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for live streaming. If possible, use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi to avoid buffering or interruptions. Step 2. Setting up streaming software. Once your equipment is ready, you'll need to set up your streaming software. YouTube lets you go live directly from your webcam, but using streaming software gives you more control. Popular choices include OBS Studio, Streamlabs, and XSplit. These tools let you add text, images, and transitions. You can switch between screens, show your slides, or even display viewer comments on screen. To connect your software to YouTube, you'll need a stream key. You can find it in YouTube Studio under the Go Live section. Copy that key into your software settings. Before starting your stream, do a test run. Check your camera, microphone, and internet speed. Make sure your lighting and background look good. Testing helps you avoid surprises and makes you feel ready before the real stream begins. Step 3. Planning content and structure. Even though live streams feel spontaneous, having a plan makes a huge difference. Without structure, it's easy to lose track or repeat yourself. Start by deciding on your goal. What do you want your viewers to learn or experience during the stream? Once you know that, outline your session. Write down how you'll open, what main topics you'll cover, and how you'll wrap up. Plan your audience interaction too. Think about when you'll read comments, answer questions, or take feedback. This keeps your stream interactive but still organized. If you plan to use visuals, slides, or screen sharing, prepare them in advance. Have everything open and ready before you start. A clear plan keeps you calm and helps your viewers stay interested from beginning to end. Lesson conclusion. Preparation is the secret to a successful live stream. When you plan your setup, test your equipment, and organize your ideas, you can focus fully on engaging with your audience. Good preparation builds confidence. It reduces technical issues and helps you deliver a professional, enjoyable live session. So before you go live, take the time to get ready. Because when you're prepared, your live stream won't just run smoothly, it will leave a lasting impression on your viewers. In the next lesson, we will talk about going live and enhancing YouTube live streams with graphics. Stay tuned with us. Thank you!